Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you types of utilities. There are basically 5 types of utilities: form utility, place utility, time utility, service utility, and knowledge utility. Now discuss in detail form utility. This is created by changing the size, shape, form, weight, color of the put in order to make the output more useful to the customer. Place utility. This is created by changing the place of inputs from the source of their availability to the place of their use to be converted into outputs. Time utility. This is created by storing or preservation of the raw material or finished goods which are very large in quantity sometime. Service utility, which is the utility created by rendering some service to the customer. Knowledge utility. This is created by imparting to a person. I hope you understand. For more videos like this, please subscribe Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video.